The difference between shuffle rhythms and straight rhythms becomes important, especially in the history of rock and roll. Hi, this is Dr. Ross Hagen from the music department at Utah Valley University. I teach music history, and a lot of the courses I teach revolve around popular music and rock music. And so today I was going to talk a little bit about the difference between shuffle rhythms and straight rhythms. This becomes important, especially in the history of rock and roll, because a lot of the blues in the 1940s and 1950s, sort of before rock and roll, had very much of a shuffle rhythm feel to it, but then when rock and roll starts, you then start to get a straight rhythm kind of feel. And hopefully I can show you what we are looking at. So the shuffle rhythm that you would find in a lot of blues gives you something kind of like this. So it has this sort of bounce to it. So it has like that, this kind of feel like that. And you can hear it, I think, also if you look at kind of a stereotypical boogie-woogie bass line where you get. But when rock and roll comes along, they take that same kind of riff, but instead of having that shuffle, you play it straight. So you get this kind of thing. It goes from this to and that is a subtle difference, but it's one of the things that helps to define rock and roll as opposed to the music that came before it and that influenced it. So to sum it up, remember, older rhythm and blues influenced music is going to have this shuffle rhythm to it, but then once we get into rock and roll and rock music, you find a lot more of the straight rhythms. Thank you.